Hi everyone. Today is the second class of class 11 Sociology, Understanding Society. Chapter 1, Social Structure, Stratification and Social Process in Society. Okay, let's go to Introduction. Introduction, Social Structure, Stratification. Introduction. First of all, according to sociology perspective, has been to understand the relationship between the individual and society. According to sociology, mane relationship between the individual and society, mane আমি বুঝিলে relationship between the individual and society. Towards the relationship between society and individual, that we need to discuss the three central concepts of social structure, social stratification, and social process. Okay. First of all, social structure. Social structure is the point to the society is a structure that is organized or arranged in a particular way. Social structure is the point to the society is a structure. Social structure alade ko point mane that is mane organized tara arrange korone in a particular ways, like to regularities or pattern of how people behave and the relationship they behave with one another. To social structure is to regularities or pattern of how people behave and the relationship that they that they have with one another. For example, in a school, certain ways of behaving are repeated over the years and become institution. যেমন কারণ স্কুল মানে তাই মানে repeated over the years মানে তাই repeat করে মানে তার মানে behaving করা যদি গম করে দেওয়া মানে and becomes an institution. The social structure is made up of human action and human relationship. These are pattern and variance regularities which are repeated across period of time and distance of space. Social structure are made up of human action and human relationship. So mane tarala pattern wise and arrange mane regularities or which are repeated across period of time and distance of space. That is social structure. Now stratification, social stratification. Social stratification social stratification is the existence of a structure in equalities between groups in society in terms of their access to of material or symbolic rewards. Mane social stratification on the existence of a structure inequalities between groups in society. Mane structure alada mane group unequal mane tunala society bon mane बहुत different mane bag ontara bag hono bakun mane equal noy sate bakun mane unequal mane बहुत ধরনের মানে symbolic wise mane horpe it is systematic of society on the basis of which individual and groups get high or low position mane so dalade upper level agon lower class agon middle class agon mane sete on the basis of which individual and groups get high or low position mane bakun mane eksoman noy mane high position agon low position agon te hada senra systematically mane sen already mane society what horba hoide mane bakun no soman noy. The social stratification are related to various strata. Strata means layers. No individual can fulfill all his needs alone. Social stratification are related to various strata. No individual can fulfill all his needs alone. মানে সতলতে সত হনো মানে নিজেরা নিজে কো মানে তা জেন লাগাছেন মানে fulfill করে নোৱাৰে যাতে that is called a stratification. Social stratification also is a part of broader social structure. মানে social structure is a part of broader social structure. It is characterized by a certain pattern inequality. সেটো মানে বহুত ধৰণৰ মানে social মানে characteristic certain pattern বহুত ধৰণৰ মানে inequal মানে বাগ বাগে. It has basic form of advantage which is privileged group in privileged groups may enjoy like so মানে he আগে মানে যেমন life chances মানে লাইফত আমি all those material advances which improve life of the recipient. Example of the income যেমন wealth job recreation মানে লাইফত আমি চান্স পাই আমি হেম টেঙা আমি ইনকাম হয় আমাৰ হেম সুখ সুবিধা যে চাকৰি থগে চাকৰি মানে বহুত মানে অফাৰ আছে লাইফত চান্স মানে that is under the social stratification is a part of social structure. The social status prestige or high standing of the society মানে সেদলতে মানে social status মানে high standing of the society তাৰপিছত বহুত ধৰণৰ মানে যেনে উল্লেখ হৈ যাওঁ য'ত মানে হাই কোৱালিটি হাই ষ্টেণ্ডিং মানে বহুত মানে ডিফাৰেণ্ট মানে লাইফত লগতে লোৱাৰ ক্লাছ আপাৰ ক্লাছ বাগ কৰা হয় আণ্ডাৰ দি social structure social stratification মানে under this society. Political influence dominance of one group or dominance of one group on another on the basis of decision making ability of a particular group মানে so যেমন politically যেমন power তালে মানে আর মানে হিম আর গ্রুপরে যেমন একো পলিটিক্যাল পাওয়ার একো গ্রুপ যদি মানে যেমন এক্সাম্পল যারা মানে পলিটিক্যালি মানে হিম তারা পাওয়ার হেলে পারবে তারা হিম ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড থাকব তারা ডমিনেন্ট গ্রাউন্ড the political influence under the social stratification. Okay, now two ways of understanding social process in sociology. আমার দিবাও দরুরি মানে social process আগে according to sociology the process of cooperation, competition and conflict in terms of the actual structure of a society মানে so bagoro the process of cooperation competition cooperation the competition or the conflict in terms of social structure মানে society bodolode so মানে cooperation goron the competition chole the conflict that is in terms of the actual structure of a society. So both the perspective presume that human beings have to cooperate to meet their basic needs and to produce and reproduce themselves. So both the perspective presume that human beings have to cooperate to meet their basic needs and to produce and reproduce themselves. মানে দুবো পার্সপেক্টিভ তারা যেমন কোঅপারেশন কম্পিটিশন কমপ্লিট চত মানে তারার মানুষজনের লাইব দেখি তারা কোঅপারেট লাইব তারা বেজিক নিতে নি মানে প্রডিউস অ্যান্ড রিপ্রডিউস ইয়ে করতে চত কমপ্লিট পার্সপেক্টিভ perspective হলো the complete perspective emphasize that group and individual are placed differently and inequality no, inequally within the system of production relation. Jemen, the the conflict perspective focus on division of society on the basis of caste or class. Some of groups are disadvantaged and criminal. Jemen, conflict perspective are there. Jemen, the group and individual are placed differently. Mane both mane and inequally mane both different types mane so society both unequal different mane systematically so division of society on the basis of caste and class. Even high class lower class caste schedule tribe. Some of the groups are disadvantaged and discriminated mane so dalade mane hoy ko mane society jemen amar hi example the mizone ko at present mane hiom taralada hiom hindu class upper class religion also tama mizone or amar ko taralo no milir discrimination solari ko amar tarala Christian amela Buddhist बहुत माने disadvantage माने discrimination so in terms of माने so conflict perspective माने so dia amar ऐसे so the functional perspective on the basis of the system requirement of society certain functional example socialization of new members. That's what function the system of requirement society what he function example socialization of new members mane so the no members all so tarara function he mechanistic de boribo the share system of communication mane share system and mane share systematically mane share gora uribo the communication the method of assigning roles of individual mane so say they were roles and regulation mane method tan hingure ye goribo according to functional perspective, cooperation, competition, and conflict can be seen universal feature to all society and relationship. Tami function perspective or cooperation lage. Jema amar cooperation lage. Competition cooperation guri ami mancholo cooperation guri mili ta competition agase vidre ta conflict so bahut mane bahut baudor mane chunor amar society or discrimination chole mane hono equal noy ta relationship mane society or mane so bekani under the mane society or beto kani ami horbe so bekani under functional perspective so ami horbe cooperation refers to cooperation to the continuous and common effort two or more than two individuals working together equally and willing towards a goal. The cooperation cooperation mane ami jodi two or more than two individuals mane ami jodi back mili malai मिलिना में जुदी कम हम गुरी तो working together equally हमें जुदी back मिली मला जुदी जुदा गुरी ने जुदा हम गुरी तामी पराला दिन future हम ही success होगा उनसे बेकना हमें हॉर पे The cooperation may be conscious and unconscious process, while conflict is mostly conscious process. The cooperation of the conscious and unconscious process, while into conflict is most conscious process. That's what the conflict only hozium cooperation. Say our cooperation live competition and that here conflict. Say under the society in the bekani amar lage. Teko chapter understanding society mane se boybot for first chapter 1 itur moi hodigilum introduction mane social structure hare hoy so stratification hare hoy social process understanding of social process hare hoy about हारे ये cooperation हारे होय that even although Durkheim and Karl Marx both emphasize cooperation, but also they differ. Mechanical solidarity आ गए, तो organic solidarity आ गए, तो mechanical solidarity वाला तो माने example family engage जुदी होना हमों एक जुदा करी नहीं तारा से नाले mechanical solidarity organic solidarity वाला तो जमान factory organic solidarity तारा बैकने मिली तारा ये गोरिले organic solidarity and mechanical solidarity so is very important माने योद example दो बारे distinguish between mechanical solidarity and organic solidarity so नाले under the Karl Marx and according to Karl Marx and Emile Durkheim माने तारा दिजने में बागोचन ताए चेते first step तरबो मैं तुम गुरे दिल thank you